Let's make some French fries. And of course, our main ingredient is the potato. I'm using the Maris Piper potato here, which is a slightly waxy potato. It's one of the main potatoes available in the UK. If you're elsewhere around the world, then something like a russet potato would work excellently for this. So we take our potato and we're just going to cut slices and then cut those slices into the French fry shape. And we want them to be around about 1/2 centimetre cubed. And now we want to parboil these for 6 or 7 minutes. We're going to use about a teaspoon of bicarb of soda and about a tablespoon of vinegar in the water just to help the potato keep their shape. Now they've had the chance to steam dry, we can move our fries onto our baking sheet. Try to give them as much room as possible, laying them in a single layer so they're not all piled up on top of each other. And we're going to bake these with a neutral oil, something like a vegetable oil or a sunflower oil, something which isn't going to burn when it heats up, because we're going to put these in quite a hot oven. We're at 220 fan. And while they're baking, every 5 minutes or so, we'll give them a bit of a turn just to make sure that they can crisp up on all sides. Now we've got our beautifully crispy fries, we can simply season them with some salt.